guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw SkullGreymon from Digimon Adventure. If you must know, SkullGreymon is like the evolved form of Greymon, except he's more bonish-like. Anyways, if this Digimon were a Pokemon, it would evolve using a Dusk Stone. Okay,
There are so many places. Let's give the globe a spin. You love the hometown that you know.
There's his head.
See some more. It's time to go, go, go. Get ready to explore. Let's go, go, go on a big world adventure. Let's go, go, go. Explore with Thomas and his friends. Let's go, go, go and meet new friendly faces. The world's just a train ride away.
Big world, big adventures. Thomas and friends, big world, big adventures.
You can chart a new course. It's time to find your way. Just pick a direction and let the music.
Next up, here's his teeth.
Talk with people you meet. Discover things you never knew. Amazing sights everywhere you go. Waiting there for you. Let's go, go, go on a big world adventure. Let's go, go, go. Explore with Thomas and his friends. Let's go, go, go and meet new friendly faces. The world's just a train ride away.
Big world, big adventures. Thomas and friends, big world, big adventures.
'Cause there may be twists and turns on the tracks. Keep moving forward, no looking back. Discovery, each day will bring big adventures for you. Let's go, go, go on a big world adventure. Let's go, 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 explore with Thomas and his friends. Let's go, go, go and meet new friendly faces. The world's just a train ride away.
Big world, big adventures. Thomas and friends, big world, big adventures.
Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song.
How can I put this? Well, I know you've taken on a playful, so please don't think that I'm ungrateful. You know I set my pride aside to let you take me on this ride, but I cannot get used to being your caboose because I still like to decide. Where I go is where it's when. If I'm never coming back again, what matters most to me is living not completely free and easy. Free and easy. Free and easy.
Make sure to draw his fingers. They're really bony.
So I thank you for acting on the trouble, and also for taking so much trouble by inviting me alone. But to me this all feels wrong. It's like you're on my back and I can't get on track, 'cause it's not where I belong.
Oh, and here's another thing about SkullGreymon. His attacks are
I'm gonna leave you in the dust.
Dark Shot and Oblivion Bird. Oh, and here's a known fact. You see, when Agumon first digivolved to SkullGreymon, he ate a lot of food because he was forced to eat that much by Ty's obsession of getting him to digivolve. But Ty's aggression and forcing him to digivolve made Greymon feel sluggish, and eventually he was forced to transform into SkullGreymon. And if you must know, SkullGreymon, he's completely brainless, and he has a constant need to fight, which is kind of aggressive, really. Who even has an aggressive feeling to fight? I don't. Remember, if you have a pet, you should never force them to be something you're not, because that's just wrong. Treat them with respect and kindness, and they'll be at their best condition. They always will.
That's the only way I roll.
Alexa, next song.
Don't give up.
Okay.
Show determination. Don't give up. You'll be a big sensation. Keep your wheels turning. Your pistons pumping hard. Keep your boys burning. Don't idle round the yard. Right on time. You'll reach your destination. Now's the time to show determination.
Okay,
Hard work gets it done. Then there's time to have some fun. Teamwork, work to share. That's the way to get you there. When you have the will, you can climb the highest hill. Hard work, that's the way. Here's the words you have to say. Don't give up. Show determination. Don't give up. You'll be a big sensation. Keep your wheels turning.
Okay,
Your pistons pumping hard.
we're almost done.
Your boys burning. Don't idle round the yard. Right on time. You'll reach your destination. Now's the time to show determination.
There we go. Be sure to draw this spiky thing on his back. That's the Oblivion bird. If you ask me, it kind of looks like a shark.
Don't give up. Show determination. Don't give up. You'll be a big sensation. Keep your wheels turning. Your pistons pumping hard. Keep your boys burning. Don't idle round the yard. Right on time. You'll reach your destination. Now's the time to show determination.
Okay, I'm almost done.
Don't give up. Show determination. Don't give up. You'll be a big sensation. Keep your wheels
Okay, done.
your pistons
And that's how you draw SkullGreymon. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys?
idle round the yard. Right on time.
I know it didn't take too long, but 10 minutes is all I need.
Now's the time.
But
Determination.
SkullGreymon, he made a return in Digimon Fusion. Then he got absorbed by Axnightmon. I don't know why though. But I'm sure we'll see him again. Alexa, next song. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what character I'll draw you guys next. Till then, hallelujah!